take a picture of this. Take a picture of this question and share it over the group. And I would like Aman to start with his introduction.
Yes, ma'am. First of all, thank you for giving me opportunity to introduce myself. So my name is Sheikh Aman and I am belong from Katwa district and I did my mechanical engineering from Purnia College of Engineering, Purnia in 2022. That's all about me. Thank you.
What do you know about the Honeycomb Studio?
Honeycomb Studio is an integrated development environment, combination of editor, compiler, and server provided by Mulesoft to develop and deploy new applications.
And what is new message structure?
New message structure contains payload attributes and errors.
Can you tell me about how error handling is done in Mulesoft?
Error handling is done in Mulesoft by two scopes, on error continue and on error propagate.
And what is the difference between both of them?
In on error continue suppress the error while on error propagate delegates the error. In on error continue processor throw error to the on error continue component and it process this error and finally send success success result with 200 status code. While in on error propagate processor throw error to the on error propagate component and it process this error and finally restore the error with 500 status code.
ऑन एयर प्रोपोगेट में ऐसे बोलना है किसी में भी पहला पॉइंट ये बोलना है सपोज अ फ्लो एनी कंपोनेंट इन ए फ्लो थ्रू द एरर in case of on error propagate it receive the error and process it and again read through the error finally send the error or failure ठीक है उसके बाद इसका दूसरा पॉइंट बोलना है ऑन एरर प्रोपोगेट इज यूज फॉर डेलीगेट द एरर मैसेज ठीक है ना इसी तरह से ऑन एरर कंटिन्यू पूछे तो बोलना है सपोज एनी प्रोसेसर इन ए फ्लो थ्रू द एरर ऑन एरर कंटिन्यू रिसीव द एरर एंड प्रोसेस इट एंड फाइनली सेंड द सक्सेस तो फिर उसके बाद दूसरा पॉइंट बोलना है कि ऑन एरर कंटिन्यू इज यूज टू सप्रेस द एरर ठीक है ना जो पहला पॉइंट है जो लंबा सेंटेंस बन रहा है उसको पहले बोलना है सप्रेस और डेलीगेट को दूसरे पॉइंट में रखना है ठीक है कंटिन्यू के बारे में पूरी बताओ कि क्या हो रहा है एरर हुआ किसी फ्लो के प्रोसेसर में एरर हुआ तो वो एरर रिसीव करेगा ऑन एरर कंटिन्यू फिर उसमें जो प्रोसेसर होता है वो उसको प्रोसेस करता है इसलिए हम लोग कहते हैं कि अगर इफ एनी प्रोसेसर थ्रो एरर इन ए फ्लो तो क्या होता है ऑन एरर कंटिन्यू रिसीव द एरर एंड प्रोसेस इट एंड फाइनली सेंड द सक्सेस ठीक है और उसी तरह से ऑन एरर प्रोपोगेट में क्या होगा इफ सपोज एनी प्रोसेसर थ्रो द एरर in a flow if any processor throw the error on error propagate receive the error and execute it and again read through the error and again read through the error and finally send the error or failure ठीक है ना बाकी स्टेटस कोड जो बोलना है वो ठीक था सीक्वेंस ऐसे बोलना है मतलब प्रॉपर सेंटेंस ये हुआ ये नहीं कि खाली ऑन एरर प्रोपोगेट रिसीव द एरर थ्रो द एरर ऐसे ना कंप्लीट बोलना है ताकि सामने वाला जो है जो इंटरव्यू ले रहा है आपका उसे साफ साफ पता चले कि एक्चुअली क्या होता है जब किसी प्रोसेसर में एरर होता है तो क्या होता है ऑन एरर कंटिन्यू कैसे काम करता है ऑन एरर प्रोपोगेट कैसे काम करता है ठीक है ना ओके प्रोसीड
Okay. Can you name some connectors?
Yes, ma'am. Connector are HTTP request connector, Java connector, mail connector, and file connector, and GRMS connector. That's all.
What is file connector?
File connector is used to connect server and to write and read message.
And can you name some routers?
Router are choice router, scatter gather, and API key router.
What is choice router?
The choice router used to send message to anyone route dynamically based on two condition, we write condition in when, and choice router works in a synchronous manner, and if anyone if any when condition are false, then it send message to default route.
And if all the conditions are true,
Then it send message to first route.
can you name some scopes?
Scope are try scope, hold scope, and honor continue and honor propagate, cache until successful, and back job and async scope.
And what is a six scope?
Async scope is a branch block domain.
Okay. Can you explain how batch processing is done in Mulesoft?
Batch processing is done in Mulesoft by using batch scope. Batch scope works for processing large volume of records. Batch processing batch scope contains 16 thread, and so it can process a minimum 17 lakh records in a minimum time, and it is basically used for ETL processor process and uh, migrate large volume of records and for process large volume of messages.
What do you know about horizontal scaling and vertical scaling?
Horizontal and vertical scaling is the part of any point platform. Horizontal scaling is work for scaling the worker side, and vertical scaling is work for scaling repo side.
What is worker size?
Worker size is how many servers we can use in any point platform for our applications.
No, it's
No,
wrong.
no.
Try again.
I don't know.
Worker size is actually the heap memory inside which your application will run, like 0.1, the vCores that you decide. Okay, and the worker is the number of servers in which your application will run. Okay.
Okay.
Okay, so I have given you a question, data week question. Share your screen and solve it.
मोबाइल से कनेक्ट करना है तो ये हम व्हाट्सएप कर देते हैं.
Okay. Ask your questions only.
Okay, name some database function.
Database function, isolation function, filter function, product function, and nav function, map object, and max mean mod latent function. That's all.
What is the use of plug function?
Plug function is used to separate key value pairs.
Okay, and what is its input and output?
Input is string and output is array.
Okay. How do you call a private flow through database?
We can use lookup function for calling private flow in database.
How to create custom function in database? Suppose I need to create own function, define own function in database. What is its keyword?
Keywords are where.
Where?
Where.
When?
Where, sir, VAR.
No. Where is keyword is used to create variables.
Okay, so where, VARS.
Function. What I'm asking to you. Create a function. Suppose you have to need to write or create a function, your own function. or define your own function. So what will be the keyword when you define or create your function?
Can't know.
Fun, F-U-N, fun.
Okay.
Fun function name equals to the expression what you want to do with the function. So fun is the keyword. To create
Yes.
variable in data view, where is the keyword?
Yes. Yes.
Okay, Amman, and then from your side, any question?
No, thank you.
Hello, Amit.
Hello, ma'am. Good afternoon.
Good afternoon. Start with your introduction.
Yeah, first of all, thank you so much for providing me this opportunity to introduce myself. My name is Mohammad Amir Khan and I am from Pune, Bihar. I have completed my BTech in Computer Science from India Institute of Technology. And after that, I started learning Mulesoft and now I'm a certified Mulesoft developer.
What is Anyone Studio?
Anypoint Studio is an IDE provided by Mulesoft to develop and deploy locally Mule application.
Do you know anything about Anypoint platform?
Yes, ma'am. Anypoint platform is a one-stop platform where we create our ML code and deploy our APIs in the runtime manager of Anypoint platform.
Can you explain the Mule message structure?
The Mule message structures contains payload and attributes. Payload is actual business data and attribute is metadata.
Can you explain how error handling is done in Mulesoft?
Yes, ma'am. We can handle error in Mulesoft using two scope, on error propagate and on error continue.
And what is the difference?
In on error continue, suppose a flow through the error. On error continue, it receives the error and execute the processor, and finally it gives the 200 status code, which is a success response. While on error propagate, suppose a flow through the error, it receives the error and execute the processor and read through the error, and finally it sends the error response, which is 500 status code.
At how many stages error handling is done?
There are three stages in Mulesoft to handle error: processor level and flow level and global level.
What do you mean by global error method?
Suppose if we want a single place where we can handle error for all flows, then we can use global level error.
Can you name some scopes?
Yes, ma'am. Mostly we use try for each on error continue, on error propagate, async scope, cache scope, until successful scope, batch job, batch aggregator, batch state.
Can you tell me something about async scope?
Async scope in Mulesoft is used for branch processing block and that execute simultaneously with the main flow, and the main flow doesn't stop until async scope complete processing task.
How do you handle error in async scope?
Using try scope with on error continue, you can handle async scope.
Can you tell me something about batch processing?
Yes, ma'am. Batch job is a scope in Mulesoft which is used to batch processing of large number of reports. Batch job content by default 16 threads, so it can process millions of reports in minimum time, and use it on following scenario like migration of large number of reports from one system to another system, and ETL kind of work. and to process large number of messages. Batch job has three phases: load and dispatch phase, and process code phase, and on complete phase. Yes.
Can you explain where do you deploy your API?
We deploy our API in runtime manager of any point platform.
And what is horizontal scaling and vertical scaling?
To increase worker size is called vertical scaling, and increasing worker is called horizontal scaling.
Okay, I would like you to share your screen and solve the given question.
Oh.
Hello, Rishikesh.
Yes, ma'am.
Start with your introduction. Actually, there is one thing I forgot. That is, in the question, you have to add 10 to even number of index. Okay.
Yes.
Not the values, even number of index. Okay. Yes, Rishikesh, can you explain what is for each? You were right with map object function. Map object will work only. Take the map object function. And write the conditions in if is given. And take another bracket inside it and write the index. And after the bracket, write key. Inside the bracket, write key. Column, value plus 10. Okay, and in the else, write just like that, write the key, column value.
Keep bracket.
Keep the key in bracket so that only it will take. Okay, so got your answer. You just have to add 10 to the even number of index. Okay.
If the same question were asked to increase the 10 for the even number of values. Suppose 10 and 20 is the even number value. You have to increase 10. And C has the value 21, which is odd. Keep it as it is. What you need to change here only? In this code where you do one small change and achieve the things. You got my point, ना? आपको इस कोड में कहाँ पे हल्का सा चेंज लाना है सो दैट जो इवन नंबर ऑफ वैल्यू होगा जिसका उसमें 10 से इंक्रीज करेंगे और पेलोड में जिसका वैल्यू ऑड है उसको एज इट इज रहने देंगे। कहाँ पे हल्का सा चेंज करना है ये कोड में कहाँ पे चेंज करना है? कंडीशन किस पे लगा है? देखो कंडीशनल चेंज है। जब भी कंडीशनल चेंज होगा चाहे एरे में हो या ऑब्जेक्ट में हो तो एफ एल्स लगाएंगे, है ना? मैप लगा के, अगर एरे है तो मैप लगा के एफ एल्स, और ऑब्जेक्ट है तो मैप ऑब्जेक्ट लगा के एफ एल्स, ठीक है ना? तो यहाँ पे इंडेक्स की जगह पे वैल्यू लिखो। इज इवन में इंडेक्स है ना, वहां पे वैल्यू लिखो। हम वैल्यू पे ना कंडीशन लगा रहे हैं,